Minecraft fans and non-Minecraft fans out there. So guys, this is a project I'm working on. I call it Vivid Man because you know me, I'm there. And this is my kingdom. I've worked on it for 2 days now. Just be a typical kingdom, added walls, spawn villagers, build them houses. So that is a project I'm working on. I call it the Dave's Tower. The tower I make it to show my greatness to all these villagers out there. So this platform at the bottom, you have the villager wearing a yellow hat there. Standing in front of what I call my castle. Well, it may not look like a castle, but it's not that bad. Yeah, you see that S over there? It stands for subscribe or else. So today I want to see how high I can take this tower. Like I said, I worked on it for 2 days now. So let's take it higher. So I got my dead site. So let's continue our building project. Let's see how high we can go. We're pretty high. Beat this Eiffel Tower. And by the way, this is different from the Tower of Babylon. Point of fact. Let's do this. We need to walk a little faster. We're doing it. In the meantime, let's go to our house and show you just what I designed for the inside. So I had a little moat out there. So, you guys ever heard of Kilos? Well, it's a fun YouTuber, plays latest games. You guys should really check him out. So this is just the inside of my house. Windows. Just a glass roof. I saw from there you can see my tower. Wait, what? Okay. The villager house I built. Let's put some little blocks, glass roof. I didn't really put my time in this, but this is when I'm gonna put my time in. The wall, the tower in my honor. Yeah, let's do this, guys. Oh, as you like, don't forget to subscribe. Again, subscribe. Never done this before. Try to start at YouTube. It may look boring now, but when we're done, it's gonna be worth it. And as you guys watch my videos, don't forget to check my playlist. I got some other interesting videos for you guys to watch.
Let's move on. Like 3 or 4. You are going today. Don't tell me you are going tomorrow. I don't have time to drive. You don't know.
Sorry about that, guys. It's just a minor problem, but I fixed it. As you can see, this is the view of my kingdom from up. What's that guy doing? Yeah, it's alright. I wonder how high we can go. Once you subscribe, don't forget to click the notification button so that you can see my next video. Because I assure you, the next one I'm gonna release is gonna be way cooler than this. Way cool. Wait, how did that bed get? Oh, no. Let's go down and see what it looks like. Yeah. I thought I would have done more than that. What did I do? Anyways, watch out for part 2. I'll continue that server. I promise. Yeah, this is the tower. I'll continue building it. Just give it better by spawning it to the time. Daytime now. So you guys, I'll make part 2. So you guys just subscribe. Bye. This Fire Channel 4.